Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now because of the festive season, I have been getting a lot of requests from you guys to create some Durga Puja related makeup videos. In this video, I am going to be creating this look that you see right here, and trust me you guys, this look takes hardly 10 minutes or so. I came up with this look specially for festive days when we don't want to sit in front of the mirror and spend like 4 or 5 hours in front of the mirror doing our makeup. So for those days when we are in a hurry and we just want to get out of the door but look beautiful at the same time without much effort, this look is apt. Before we move ahead, you know what you have to do. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget to press that bell button next to the subscribe button in order to stay notified every time I post. Also do follow me on my Instagram page. My Instagram handle is this. Now let's get started. Starting off with the Color Bar Match Perfecting Primer, and I'm spreading it evenly on my skin so as to give the foundation an even base. Moving ahead with the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation. This foundation is really nice, light and apt for the season, and it also has SPF in it, so that's a plus. Once I'm done with the foundation, I am moving ahead with the concealer. It's my absolute favorite concealer, Maybelline Fit Me, one of the best concealers out there. A little goes a long way with this concealer, and I'm using it just under my eyes. In order to blend that concealer, I'm using a sponge. You can go ahead and use a brush or a beauty blender like you want. Once I am done with the cream products, I am now going to set my face using this Faces Compact Powder so that my makeup stays long in the festivities and does not budge. Setting my face with the powder, I'm going to go ahead and fill my eyebrows. I'm using my trusted Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. You can go ahead and use any brow product that you like. Moving ahead with the star of the show, this Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight. I am using it all over my eyelids and it looks amazing. I'm gradually dragging the color into my inner corners so that everything looks even and nice. This bronzy side from the Moonlit highlighter, I am spreading it evenly on the center of my eyelids. The combination of gold and bronze looks amazing for any kind of festivities and occasion, and you can wear this combination for almost all your festive dresses. Moving ahead with the eyeliner, I am using this one by Maybelline. It's my absolute favorite, and I'm using it to draw a wing. For kajal, I am using this Lotus Color Cake Kajal, which is my favorite these days, and it stays for a really long time. To give some drama to my lashes, I am using this Magnum Barbie mascara from Maybelline, and it's quite affordable at the same time. This is the finished eye look, as you can see. I absolutely love it. Moving ahead with the blush, I'm using this blush from Wet n Wild. It's one of my favorites and it suits a lot of Indian skin tones. Tonight I'm going back with the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight. It looks absolutely stunning and it's the best highlight ever for the festive days. Moving ahead with my favorite part, lipstick. I am using this one from Sugar Cosmetics. I absolutely love the color. It looks stunning for festive days. What do you guys think? So that's the finished result, guys. I really like how the look turned out. It took hardly 10 minutes to come up with this look. Let me know how you guys like this look. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section the kind of videos you want me to make. You know, I love making videos that you guys recommend. I love you guys so much. I'll be back with yet another interesting video, so stay tuned. Bye.